There are many nude video on Madonna Bioka, na Fumanya Keta, Onya na Fumanya now, on a Fum, Amamonia and Wayfele, on a Fumanya now. On Madia Bioka, na Fumanya, Nenwa, na Fumanya, the Mokata so we are near sending him is ready for me if I want. Want what? If you like dear me. And the person na Fumanya now, if you like dear me. Who would he feel? Want what? And once he was showing me, it's not even beautiful, it's not attractive, it's not smooth, it's not clean. There were a lot of gallop. Full with eczema. It's ready for me if I want. Want what? That one is combination of HIV, hepatitis, syphilis, and gonorrhea. Want what? Communion. You want to have the taste of me. Thunder will fire you and fire your generation. Am I sugar that you want to have the taste of me? Honey. So if I'm preaching, you are thinking nonsense in your mind, and that is why you will not be blessed. Ask him now somewhere you can't beat me. But you are not going to see me. You can see a chiarizian. And I want to sound it as a final warning. And also in the Angosia Union, and Abiaku Kaunyama Nekenequia, Namusiamu. Okay, now, mommy, Kenequia. Obrom wine in a okay. So women will confront her. Onyala, Afumi Fisandri. What of that time? But I'm telling you that she's. If you send it to me, I send it to her. And I'm in Kembo, in Kebwa, na in Kebazu. If you send it to me again, I will project it now. One in our fear. Now I can't get me Bible study that day.